How to humanize ChatGPT text. I wrote everything in a text file for you to better understand. There are 6 ways to humanize ChatGPT text. The first one, tell it your style. Use this. Write like a real human. Casual, simple, natural. This makes the text less formal and more human immediately. And believe me, I tried it, it works like a charm. Let's go to number 2. Add imperfections. AI writes too perfectly, so add small human touches. Add small imperfections, short sentences, slight pauses, more personality. Let's go to number 3. Use the make it human command. Paste the text and say humanize this, make it sound natural, not AI generated. Let's go to number 4. Choose a tone or vibe. Humans have a tone, AI often doesn't. Examples: make it friendly, make it confident, make it emotional, make it relaxed. Let's go to number 5. Remove robotic phrasing. Tell ChatGPT remove stiff or robotic wording. Make it conversational. Let's go to number 6. Add personality. Use write like you're texting a friend. This instantly humanizes everything. These 6 tricks will make sure your ChatGPT texts as close to a human being. Don't forget to like the video and thank you for watching.